Background noise, check. Iced tea, check. We're ready to learn together on the Aspiring Admin. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to download Ubuntu server. So let's get going to, I can spell, ubuntu.com. Okay, and they got to tell us about their stuff. Anyway, we want server. Download Ubuntu server. We're going to be getting their long-term support download. So that means the number of it is 1404. That means it's from the 04 is for April because it's the 4th month. 14 is for 2014. That means last year. It's currently 2015 right now as I'm doing this, September. So there actually is, or I should say are, newer ones out. But we're going to do the long-term support. What they do with the long-term support is they support it, I believe it's 5 years now. You want something that's going to be around for a while that you just basically going to do security updates. You don't have to do a reinstall, kind of thing where you might use an old computer, put a server on it, and throw it in the closet, throw it in the basement, wherever, and just let it run and update it once a week or so. Anyway, let's get into this here. So download Ubuntu server. It should take us to the page here. They've updated this since the last time I looked. The first one they show you is actually the long-term support, LTS in this case, even though as you can see there is a 1504, so April 2015. A newer, later, supposedly greater, I don't know. But anyway, like I said, we're going to do this. And we're going to go to alternate downloads in my case. I'm going to use the torrents. What that does is it takes the load off of their servers. Saves a lot of these companies. Ubuntu's not one of them, but a lot of the Linux distros are made by, a lot of times just some guy in his house with maybe a few people around the world helping out. So by doing it in a torrent, you're kind of saving them some bandwidth on their servers. So I'm going to use, my program is called Qubit Torrent. There's many others. That's just the one I choose to use. So we will see if it even lets me do it. So there's my spot where I normally save everything. There's a file I have called ISOs, which is it's basically a disk image is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to hit OK here, tell it to go there, and we'll see if it gives me any kind of problems. It's turning green. It sounds like it's going. Okay, it's almost done downloading. So let's go back over here. I went over to the official Ubuntu documentation. That's where we're going to be going once we get the install done. I will show you in the next video how to do the install. And then we'll be going over to this Ubuntu documentation for our server and start to set up some stuff. The first one I think we'll set up is a simple file server. Well, I say simple. I've never really done it before. So yeah, it might be a disaster. Learn from my mistakes here at the Aspiring Admin. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.